Morning everybody and welcome to part 2 of To Interpret a Character, day 2 of planning our descriptive devices ready for our warm write tomorrow. So today, on Friday, you looked at personality and attitude and Grendel's appearance, and today we're going to look at Grendel's effects on other people, how his behaviour might affect or make other people feel, and we're also going to look at how he moves around. So the first thing I want you to do is cast your mind back to all the information I've told you about Grendel and see if you can think about the effects that Grendel is going to have on other people. How is he going to make other people feel? He's definitely not going to make them feel good, but what feelings might they have? Take a minute to think of some ideas, come back and I'll show you some of my ideas too. So I've written some of the ideas that I've got up on the board for you. You can see I've got words like furious, petrified, scared for life, nervous and threatened. They are all words that are very negative and have negative effects on other people. I think there'll be some people in the village that will be very scared, very anxious, but there'll be also some people in the village that are angry and furious at the situation and how Grendel keeps haunting them. So that's why I've got a range of negative words. Now, moving on to his movements. So have a think, using all the information you know about Grendel, how do you think Grendel moves around? How does his body move? How does he move when he's attacking the camp? Do you think he's doing it loudly? Is he crashing into the camp, or is he quite sinister and slimy and trying to be a bit creepy and those sorts of ideas? Sneaky is the word I'm thinking of. Is he going to be a bit of a sneak? So take a couple of minutes to think, jot some ideas down for yourself and then come back to see some answers. Okay, so as you can see, I picked quite negative words. I've got saunter, slink, stalk, creeping, slither, lurking, ambush, silently ruthless. I've decided that Grendel is probably going to be quite sneaky. He's not going to announce himself before he gets to the camp because he wants to catch them when they least expect it. So all the words I've gone for are how Grendel can move around in a sneaky kind of way. So what you're going to do, just like you did on Friday, is you are going to now plan your vocabulary for the movements of Grendel and his effects on others. Just like on Friday, you can use any vocabulary that you found in the extracts, and I have put the little prompt again on the lesson. I have also put 2 pictures that has some more ideas for you, some that you've seen on these slides, some that I did last year, of how I think Grendel would move and his effects on others. Again, just like on Friday, I would suggest that you do your planning on a piece of paper using the gingerbread outlines and upload it as a picture onto the lesson so I can see. This way you have your vocabulary in front of you when you come to write next week. If this isn't possible, I've set up a blank Word document, but it's going to be so much easier if you can have it in front of you tomorrow when we come to do our warm write. So make sure that you have planned your words down and you have them easily accessible. Go and have a go, write them down on a piece of paper, upload your photos. I'm really excited to see what vocabulary you come up with. Off you go now.